Amhlophe. Your Excellency, allow me to do this poem. This poem will begin by congratulating us all for witnessing the exhibition of skills that will transform Zimbabwe to upper middle class economy before 2030. This poem is our effort as a people to shape our future. This poem is a game changer. This poem is about heritage and history, our 16 languages, natural resources, and our identity. This poem will speak about gender equality. Wafundisa umfazi, wafundisa uzalo. Wati watinti umfazi, watinti mbokoto, iridetembo. This poem will leave no one behind. Munhu wese Zimbabwe dzidza pasina anosarudzwa. Education 3.0 was a pure colonial design. Yakashandise wasu pamurungu kusvika ite resign, teaching, research and community service. Vamurwira kuti kwavo vanoita kwazvo namazvo. From ideas straight to a product, it is the design of education that designs our thinking after education. This poem welcomes you to Great Zimbabwe University. The home of excellency, your excellency. This poem welcomes you to Education 5.0. This poem welcomes you to science, technology and modernization. This poem welcomes you to innovation and industrialization, education, content and what is found in the local environment. This poem is not about education. It is about production, creating jobs. Kuvakanyika kwedu brick upon brick upon brick, your excellency. Takayenda, this poem. 5.0 imimba ina mapachka. Pacha tipanyika pacha. The Zimbabwe's industrialization agenda will be born. This poem is against celebrating certificates. This poem is celebrating skills acquired that will help us achieve Vision 2030. It is the design and the purpose that matters in this poem. 5.0 yapavanamukana wokushaina munyika mavovo uregwa ndiana achatambira zvichemo romanyire pakamiswa zviwanikwa zvavo vakasanganisa nenjere dzavo munotiwo ne25 dzamatiyo chaisatambira zvichemo bodo vasikana vasitorina mwenje chikomba chainyenyeredza dzimba dzavo. Speaking and complaining will never transform Zimbabwe. In this poem rugwaro goti kunzwa nekuita. In this poem 5.0 ichiti kudzidza kusingadzidzisi innovation and industrialization kwakafa. Tikati dzidze zvatambodzidza zviyadza kumboedza. Pada koedza tingasimudzai Zimbabwe masvingo nekuti nyika inovakwa nevene vayo. Your Excellency, I thank you. Chibwe chatimambo. Amhlophe.